Where's the female at?
Right here. I don't know.
Yep.
Yes, go through the roof. Our squad is another out.
Where you at? Where's the baby?
My midnight!
Where they at? Where upstairs?
Unison route, the reporting has gone silent with my partner. My kids are at the porch!
Under the porch?
Yeah!
Your dog or kid?
We got a hydrant at James and Washington. Units do not park on Washington. Leave room for the rigs.
Hydrant.
Hey, ma'am! Ma'am!
Go.
Hey, throw me your kid. Kick out the screen. Kick out the screen.
They're in heavy fire. We do have entrapment.
Oh my God. I got contact on the B side. She's trying to get the kid out the window, second story.
Yep.
Come here. Okay, hang on.
First corner at 360
Okay, yeah.
water on that curve, okay?
Yep, I got it.
Second story point is pulling, man.
Hey, ma'am, come out.
Can handle it.
Can I get someone on the B side? I got the baby. The female's trying to come out. Right here, yep.
Alright, I need a ladder.
Yep. Okay, hold on. We're gonna get you a ladder. Hey, need more. Need more. Hold, baby. I gotta get a ladder.
Are you able to go back in for a second so we can get this ladder up right underneath you? You feel comfortable doing that?
Yep. All right, ma'am.
Hey, you coming?
Yep.
Alright, ladder, that victim coming out. Right, there should just be some gas left in the apartment. And we have water on.
Is there anyone else inside?
Be calling for engine 3 SB45. Engine 3 and rescue 45, 14 West Kalamazoo Avenue. Have a trailer that's
Is there nobody else inside?
Appears to have been involved in a crash. Unknown how many vehicles are involved. Unknown
Just some
accident,
cats.
14 West Kalamazoo Avenue.
Your baby's over here.
5 unit.